Thank you, everyone, for coming out. I'm Jenna McKenzie, and together with my co-chair, Ken Witherly, we welcome you to our workshop this afternoon, Geophysics More Than Just Discovery. I'm just going to give you a brief introduction to DMEC, which is the entity hosting this workshop today. So DMEC stands for the Decennial Mineral Exploration Conferences. We are a non-profit organization that was created in 2005 to administratively take care of the conferences that happen every 10 years, and I'll get into that in a minute. But we have a secondary focus for encouraging workshops and forums such as these throughout the exploration industry. And with a focus on integrating technology meaningfully, and that can only happen if we work collaboratively. So just a quick comment on the past. We started with conferences dating back to 1957, primarily focused on geophysics in the beginning. But over time, every 10 years, these came back, and then it became a tradition to hold these on the 7-year. And we brought in geochemistry over the years. We're always hosted in Canada, sometimes in Ottawa, and now in Toronto. In 87, 97, we brought in more geology and geochemistry. And then in 07 and 17 is more of a totally integrated conference. So they're intended as a retrospective, but also as a forward-looking event. We've been throwing these PDAC workshops for, this is our 10th one now, and largely to the efforts of Ken. He's organized these workshops often over topics that are difficult but necessary for our industry. So today's the same. We've had things like exploration undercover, risks associated with exploration, how to make technology work. So they're a bit, they're pretty thick, and we, I think, appreciate the chance to all come together and discuss these issues. Okay, and then just one more comment. We have a website, dmec.ca, where we have a number of resources, including all of the proceedings from the conferences dating back to 1957. We have workshops and videos, we have these links to research, trying to update this on a regular basis, so we encourage you to go to this site for this information. And so today we've got several speakers. We'll have Ken, Richard Shoddy, and Daryl Ball in the beginning, and then we'll have a quick coffee break, and then we'll have John Woodhead, Joel Jansen. We'll have Rob Gordon speak after Joel, and then Rick Valenta will be joining us remotely from Brisbane. He's unable to attend in person. Okay, so I'll invite Ken to come to start with his presentation.